Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the 8th wonder of the world. In this video, I'm going to talk about the company which is a gas distribution player and a manufacturer and is expected to do really well in medium term of 1 to 3 years. Please like and subscribe the channel for more updates and press the bell icon for more notifications from this channel. Talking about the company is India's largest gas distribution player with presence spread over 22 districts in the state of Gujarat and Union Territory of Dadra Nagar Haveli and Thane, which includes Pahargarh district of Maharashtra. The company has India's largest customer base in major user segments. The company has around 20,000 kilometers of gas pipeline network. It has 291 CNG stations and provides natural gas to over 12.5 lakh households, approximately 6 lakh vehicles, and to 3,295 industrial customers. The business of the company. The company is authorized distributor of CNG and PNG in Gujarat, Surat, Ankleshwar, Rajkot, etc. The company has won 6 GA, that is a geographical areas, comprising 17 cities in the state of Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, as per the article in Mint Live in August 2019, which will give the company more market access. Gujarat Gas is committed to reach out to every possible natural gas user in its expanded geographical area. The size and the scale of the combined entity gives the ability to achieve efficiencies and effectively manage the transformational changes in the sector. Gujarat Gas is strategically aligned to energize India's natural gas vision. Company's description. The company is into gas transmission marketing. It was incorporated in 2012. It is headquartered in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. It has a market capitalization of 20,304 crores, so it is a large cap. The stock is currently trading at rupees 294.71. It is listed both on NSE and BSE. It has a PE ratio of 19.66. The industry PE is 20.95. So the company is trading well below the industry PE, which is a good thing. And it has a debt equity of 0.82. So any company having a debt equity of less than 1 is considered good. The 52-week high was 298 and a 52-week low was 116. Return on equity percentage is 46.61. Price to book is 9.71 and it has a face value of 2. Talking about return summary, the company has given a splendid return of 133.52% in the last 1 year. It outperformed the Sensex by 118%, while the Sensex during this period has provided 14.97% and outperformed the sector by 120%, where the sector returns were 13.46%. The latest dividend the company was paid was on September 12th, which was around rupees 1 per share. The company is a low beta stock. It has 0.70 with Sensex. So this is evident from the chart, which clearly shows the company has low beta. So stock return versus Sensex. The company has beaten the Sensex return in all the periods. So when you talk about 3 months return, it's been 64.82%, and even 1 month return is almost 31%. 6 month return is 78%, and 1 year return is 133%. And 3 years return is 170 and 4 years return is 167. Now talking about the performance versus the benchmark. So the company's benchmark is S&P BSE mid cap and S&P BSE basic materials. So from the chart it's very evident that the company has outperformed the benchmark indices in the last 1 year period, and it has beaten even during the other periods. Performance against the peers. The company has outperformed other companies in its category in terms of stock price, that is Adani Gas and Indraprastha Gas, so which is evident from this blue line available in this chart. The risk adjusted return versus Sensex. The company's risk adjusted is 4.08 while Sensex is 1.09. The volatility index is 32.70 and Sensex during the same period is 13.77. So from the chart, the company is in high returns and low risk category, which is a very good sign. Beaten the other competitors in terms of risk profile. So shareholders pattern as of December 2019. The majority shareholders are promoters, and the promoters is Gujarat State Petronet Limited, which has 54.16%. The highest public shareholding is by Gujarat State Fertilizer and Chemical Limited, having 6.185%. Insurance company has 0.38%. The FIIs have 11%, and the mutual funds holding percentage is 5.71, and this is held in 22 schemes. And the non-institutional holdings is 21.75, and the promoter holdings totals up to 60%, 89, and the individual investors hold around 5.12%. The other DIIs have 0.17%. So now let's talk about the changes from the shareholding in the September quarter versus December quarter. So the promoter holding remained the same. The FII holdings has decreased by 0.96%. Mutual fund holdings has increased by 0.65%. Insurance holdings have decreased by 0.11%. Other DIIs holding has decreased by 0.01%. Non-institutional holdings has seen an increase of 0.43%. So pretty much there has not been a big drastic change to shareholdings, which is actually a good sign. Now talking about the top points, the company is adding about 50 plus CNG stations per annum, and therefore CNG volume is increasing at 8 to 10% CAGR over the next 5 years. The domestic PNG volume is growing at 6 to 7% CAGR will enable the company to add 10k connections per annum. Industry volumes is growing at 8% CAGR for the next 5 years. So these stats give a very good potential for the company to move forward. The stock has run up, so you can wait for some correction, and I have been tracking the stock around the 160 levels, and the company is giving a steady growth in the share price. The stock can give good returns in the medium term, but the few negative points can be the alternative fuels are becoming cheaper and could impact industrial volume in the upcoming years. The new competition in the existing geographical areas, as the market exclusivity has expired in key areas for the company. The other positives are the company is a play on tighter environmental norms against the use of polluting fuels in small factories. So even as soft LNG prices remain a good tailwind for the company. And a slew of reforms linked for the gas sector may say excellent reforms in 2020. So being a key gas consumer, city gas companies outside Gujarat may see big gains from inclusion of gas in GST. And there has been a huge demand from the market participants to reduce the GST rate of the CNG vehicles in line with the electric vehicles. That is to reduce to 5% from 28%. Big news for the CNG demand, which will benefit the company. The investors having a medium-term horizon can look at investing into the company, and maybe they can add in small quantities whenever there is a correction. The company stock price has run up, so there are chances that it will reduce. But another news which I would like to mention is about the petroleum regulator alleges violations of the city gas projects for Adani Gas. So this would benefit the company in a shorter term period. So the shares of the Gujarat Gas can see an upside. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications from this channel. This content is intended to be used and must be used for educational purposes only. Please do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances and consult your financial advisor.